Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be deep diving straight into the crypto market and then jumping straight from there into the crypto news of today. A lot of good crypto news, a lot of bad crypto news. We're going to jump straight into all of it, so make sure to stay tuned for all this crypto news. If you guys want to stay up to date with crypto as well as altcoins, make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. In the last 24 hours, we do see the market going down about 3.5%. Bitcoin struggling with a $38,000 price point. Ethereum at 2.4K. We actually see things like Chainlink down to $23 again. Theta below $9. Polygon down 9%. Just crazy decreases across the board. AMP is actually up 50%, up to 12 cents right now. So AMP is continuing to push through. We actually did a video on AMP. If you guys want to stay up to date with AMP, I am going to start giving you guys updates on AMP as we move forward. Jumping into the next article, or I guess the first article, it talks more about the former PayPal employees launched the centralized cross-border payment network on Algorand, fueling cross-border transactions with regulated stablecoins to represent fiat on-chain has never been done before, said Borderless Capital CEO David Garcia. So it's great to see two former PayPal workers in business and technology have launched a cross-border payment system aimed at a faster, cheaper, and more transparent payments. We're not going to talk too much more about this, but like I said, guys, this could be huge. Obviously, getting more decentralized cross-border payment networks on Algorand. Before we jump into too much more, I do want to take a quick look at BlockFi, because if you guys haven't heard of BlockFi yet, you definitely should hear about it. It's a way to make money with your money. So put your money to work, and BlockFi is the best way to do it. Like I said, they have actually ditched their annual fee, so you can actually check out their new credit card perks and join the waitlist today. This is a sponsored ad, just talking really about the future of finance. So the old way of doing things doesn't cut it anymore. With BlockFi, you can choose or use cryptocurrency to earn interest at up to 8.6% APY, borrow cash, and buy or sell crypto. There are no hidden fees, no minimum balances, and no reason to wait. So if you guys want to take advantage of that, get up to $250 worth of Bitcoin. Make sure to quickly jump into the comment section and use my link for BlockFi. It gives you, like I said, up to $250 worth of Bitcoin, and it also supports the channel. So jumping back to our crypto news, we also see a new filing for Morgan Stanley to give its clients exposure to Bitcoin. NYDIG and FS Investments filed paperwork with the SEC for a BTC investment fund. The new filing shows that this is the fourth fund linked to Morgan Stanley. So we're continuing to see, investment firms and really just new filings across these firms altogether. And it's great to see clients getting exposure to Bitcoin as well as new crypto assets. Taking a look at the next article talks more about Britain's go crypto crazy, more invested in Bitcoin than stocks and shares last year. So you can actually see as it jumps back above 40K a coin. Right now, obviously, we're on that to kind of decrease from that 40K, but Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are more popular than stocks and shares. So that is actually pretty, insane to see, Bitcoin really and cryptocurrencies altogether being more popular than stocks and shares, which have been, around for so long. We also see the vast majority of investors don't understand how crypto works. And we also see the Bitcoin has jumped back above 40K after Elon Musk indicated that Tesla would resume accepting the cryptocurrency. So it's crazy to see, so much influence in this market, obviously. Nobody wants to lose their money. Everybody understands that retail investors, unfortunately, do follow influencers, or they do follow, people like Elon Musk, Mark Cuban. So we'll continue to see it fluctuate fairly, fast and quickly. But, I do think realistically, we are going to see less and less influence on the market as it continues to grow and grow. We also see Porsche enters NFT market, launching trading card platform Fanzone. So Porsche, the German car maker, is diversifying to digital markets through the launch of Fanzone, an NFT-based trading card market. Fanzone, built by Ford 31, a Porsche company builder, seeks to capitalize on classic trading card demand. At the same time, Fanzone actually tries to combine this classical market with the NFT craze to offer digital products. So this is great to see, really more and more NFTs coming out. We continue to see, the mainstream media, or really just retail investors that don't know maybe too much about crypto or not much about NFTs starting to really get understanding of NFTs and crypto the farther and closer we come to that second part of the bull market. So great things taking place across the board. We also see El Salvador considers paying workers salaries in Bitcoin. So this is kind of interesting as well. Obviously, this would be a big first for an entire country to offer salaries in straight up just Bitcoin. In a tweet by local radio station 107.7 Fugo on Tuesday, 3 government ministries were considering the possibility of company workers receiving their wages in BTC. This was revealed by the Minister of Labor, Rolando Castro. So obviously, crazy to see this kind of thing possibly happening in the future of El Salvador. Just more mass adoption taking place every single day. We also have Michael Saylor from MicroStrategy CEO, obviously warming up to Ethereum. So we've talked about him and Bitcoin and how much Bitcoin he's actually invested in. And it's crazy to see, him having so much Bitcoin, but still talking positive about Ethereum. That's great to see him actually being accepting of really all cryptocurrencies that have a really use case or utility behind them. So he thinks a market starts to understand these things. They will see that there is a place for everyone, obviously talking about cryptocurrencies, and it doesn't have to be just one crypto to the moon. So the core business increased by 10%. The Bitcoin business is increasing shareholder returns. I think the employees are happy and the shareholders are happy. So he does think he's doing the right thing. He thinks he's continuing to buy the right stuff and the right amount. So I think realistically he's happy about his purchases so far. As we get closer and closer to hopefully that bull run part 2, I'm sure he'll even be happier as he moves forward. We also see court denies SEC request for info on Ripple's recent XRP transactions. So we're not going to jump too much into this, but there's been so much really drama going on with Ripple, and like I said, I'm not going to jump too much into it. Just want to give you guys a quick update on that. El Salvador is printing money with Bitcoin. So this is an interesting article, really just talking about really how Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency originally created to be a form of money outside government control, and how it has really, utterly failed to be useful as a currency except for ransomware payments. This was all obviously stated by somebody that doesn't really, like cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. And it's just interesting to really see, El Salvador really jumping on the idea of trying to print money with Bitcoin. So I just thought that was interesting. We're going to jump into the next one, talking about whales now hold 48.7% of total Bitcoin supply after buying 90,000 BTC. So that is quite a bit of BTC. Obviously, we do see whales continuing to grab more and more Bitcoin. Obviously, nobody likes to see whales control such a large amount, but that thing is going to take place when they see great opportunity. You're going to see whales jumping in and taking advantage of that opportunity. So it's crazy to see, like I said, whales accumulating 90,000 Bitcoins. That's an equivalent to a whopping $3 billion, $3.6 billion, I guess. So just overall, these addresses hold a 7-week high of 9.11 million, almost half the total Bitcoin supply. So just crazy to see, like I said, that many, that much total supply being held by whales. We also see Mark Cuban. If you guys haven't been caught up with Mark Cuban, he's a big fan of crypto. He's talked about crypto quite a bit. And on his blog, Blog Maverick, the Mark Cuban web blog, he talks more about Polygon Matic specifically and really the brilliance of cryptocurrency and how it's going to really benefit everybody in the long-term growth. I think realistically, he also talked about possibly having your tickets when you go to a game. If you go, let's say we go to the Mavericks game, you have a chance of getting an NFT ticket. I think he's going to actually start issuing NFT tickets out instead of just tickets. We'll see if that does come true or, does actually come up. Obviously, I wouldn't assume it would be next year, but, I think he's on that path to actually, fully moving into this new era of, cryptocurrency, NFTs, and so on and so forth. So it's definitely a great thing to see taking place. And he talks really in this article specifically about the brilliance of yield farming, liquidity providing, and valuing crypto projects. So let's jump back to our crypto prices right now, down 3.5% in the last 24 hours. Still looking fairly bullish. I think we are going to, find a way out of this by the end of July. Is still my, time to really see that we could break out. I think the June month itself is going to be a lot of ups and downs, a lot of volatility, a lot of just accumulation. I think a lot of people are going to be buying these dips when we do dip down, and I think they're going to be very happy with themselves come late July when we do hopefully break out of this really accumulation FUD manipulation stage. So that's going to be it for you guys. I just want to give you guys a quick update across the crypto market and crypto news segments. Really, I try to do these crypto news segments every morning or so, every couple days, I guess I do it in the morning, just because I want to give you guys, just the most recent and up-to-date crypto news. So if you guys want to stay up to date with crypto, if you want to stay up to date with altcoins as well, I do altcoin reviews and obviously price predictions on them every single day. So make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. I greatly appreciate all of you guys stopping by, listening to the crypto news of today. Like I said, we're getting closer and closer to 100K subscribers, and you guys are the awesome support and reason as to why that is. So thanks again, guys. I'll see you all in the next one.